Spring salad. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 2 cucumbers into thin rounds. Chop 1 handful of fresh mint. Place lettuce on a platter. Mix together 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then sprinkle over the lettuce. Place 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of Kalamata olives and 1 cup of raw cashews, 1½ cups of cooked chickpeas and 2 cucumbers into a bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste. Squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. Mix well. To serve, place the vegetables over the lettuce and serve.